Hey everyone, got your next 5 core weekly exercises. Good luck. Exercise number 1, the Russian twist. Renee's gonna lean right back to my hand, hands out in front of her, and she's gonna begin to twist. Now to make this more difficult, she can pick her feet up, and now even harder, she can stick her feet out as far as they can go, and that's the twist. All right, exercise number 2, the side plank. Renee's gonna lift her hips up and then back to the mat. She'll keep going like this for 30 seconds on each side. All right, exercise number 3, the dolphin plank. Renee's gonna start in her low plank position, that's elbows and feet. From here, she'll drive the butt back, heels towards the ground, good, and then she'll come back to center. Wonderful. And up. Keeping that nice neutral spine. Wonderful. All right, here we go. Number 4, cross body toe tap. Renee will start flat on her back. Feet are gonna come right up. She can keep a nice neutral spine. And then we're gonna reach across the body, the opposite side foot, and tap and back, and tap and back. Good, back and forth, 1 minute. All right, number 5, the last one. We're gonna use a weight for this one, so Renee will grab a 5-pound weight, and she'll come right back into that same position she just was. This time the feet will stay on the ground. Renee's gonna move into a sit-up. She'll press the weight through her knees and then up above her head. Good, and back. Now to make this a little more difficult, she can slide her feet in, and to make it easier, she can slide her feet out.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching again.
As always, any questions you got, throw them in the comments down below. Click here for our next video.
And click here to subscribe.
Till next time.
Peace, guys.